when we do this, x equal to secant theta minus cos theta, y is equal to secant to the power n theta minus cos to the power n theta. This is the problem given to us. Now, dx by d theta. Dx by d theta, you get it as secant theta into tan theta plus sin theta. In this case, you take common sin theta. What we get? If we take sin theta common, we get secant theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Or you can directly say, if I take tan theta common, we get secant theta plus cos theta. So this is dx by d theta. Similarly, dy by d theta, we get it as n secant to the power n minus 1 theta into secant theta tan theta. It's a chain rule because derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan theta plus n cos n minus 1 theta into sin theta. Why it became plus? Because derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So in this also, take n common, tan theta common. So what we get is secant to the power m theta plus cos to the power n theta. That is the beauty of this problem. So dy by dx, finally we get it as secant to the power m theta plus cos to the power m theta by secant theta plus cos theta. So we have to observe what is given. Dy by dx whole square is given. So if we do dy by dx whole square, dy by dx whole square, so what we are getting here? Secant to the power m theta plus cos to the power m theta whole square divided by secant theta plus cos theta whole square. So that we are getting. But if you expand this, it is in a form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square can also be written as secant to the power m theta minus cos to the power m theta whole square plus 4ab. What happens ab? Secant to the power m theta, cos to the power m theta is equal to 1. Similarly, denominator secant theta minus cos theta whole square plus 4. Both are same. I will write it here. Secant to the power m theta into cos to the power m theta is nothing but 1. So what we observe? This is nothing but secant to the power m theta minus cos to the power m theta was y. So we get y square plus 4 by x square plus 4 is equal to dy by dx whole square. So that was the trick in this. A plus b whole square is written in a form of a minus b whole square plus 4ab. But here ab equal to 1. ab equal to 1. Similarly, secant theta minus cos theta whole square will give you secant square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 secant theta cos theta, which is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Same thing we did it. So we have done. I'll write it here also. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square instead equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. That is the concept used here. Okay. So we get our result x square plus 4. Obviously we forgot one term n square. Dy by dx n will be here. So because n dy by dx won't cancel, here you get as n square. In this bracket also you get n square. Here also you get n square. So x square plus y square dy by dx whole square is equal to n square y square plus 4. You can see the options. Option n square, option C is correct. N square y square plus 4. Main concept is we have used a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. And another concept was secant to the power n theta into cos to the power n theta is equal to 1. So simple rearrangement in